Hello friends, in this video I want to talk about the economy. I'm not an expert, but all I can see in the market right now is some craziness and you know uh, a lot of people are bullish on the market and many other things. So let me explain this first at the beginning. The economic terms of expansionary. There are two terms. Let me explain this first. Expansionary fiscal policy occurs when the Congress acts cut tax rate or increase government spending, shifting the aggregate demand curve to the right. Contractionary fiscal policy occurs when Congress raised taxes, tax rates, or cut government spending, shifting aggregate demand to the left. So we are right now in this situation, not at this time, we are in this situation because the government is not, increasing taxes and increasing the interest rate at this time. But something gonna happen to the market and overall interest rate in the United States. In my opinion, this year or next year, real estate. We all heard about this. Real estate prices are just hitting new records every single day. House was at $200,000 last year. Now it's selling for 225, 230, in some places $300,000 within just 1 year. So there is no value at this. That there is a huge gap between the intrinsic value and the price they're selling it for. So that can be stopped by the government, and I don't know when that's going to happen. But the thing is, we all heard about that. I'm in a retail business. I own a convenience store. The prices are going up. The cigarette prices went up by 15% in the past 5, 6 months. The alcohol prices, especially beer, not wines, because wine doesn't have that much sales volume in the United States like the beer have. So the beer, went up by 25 to 30% in the past 6, 7 months. I don't know if that's because of the COVID-19. Many manufacturers and factories are not, opened yet or not producing uh, that much beer or alcohol as they used to be in 2019 and 20. I'm not sure anything about that, but the prices are going up. Some of you guys bought Oreo cookie. If you pay attention to Oreo cookie prices, back in 2020, about 5, 6 months ago, the Oreo cookie, the big bags, I'm not sure, I think it was 32-ounce bag, um, cost about $2.78 in Walmart. So right now, if you want to buy one of those in the Walmart, same location, you have to pay at least $3 and 79 cents or 99 cents. So a huge gain, about 30 to 40% increase in those prices. Um, you know, some of the soda prices went up, but not all of them. I cannot give you an example because I don't know anything about those. The dairy prices went up a little bit, about 5 to 10%, not a lot again. But the reason I'm saying this because I want to just say that this is not only in real estate. This is everywhere, stock market, real estate, and uh, if you pay attention to the car business, people who are involved in car business, they know if you are a used dealership and you want to buy a car from auction, you have to pay 20 to 30% more than what you were paying 3, 4 months ago, 5 months ago. So a lot of car businesses, used car lots in Houston area, Houston, Texas, they're very low, in the inventory. They don't have that many cars. I can see it, and we have some customers that work at the used car lot, and they're telling us. The demand is really high, but the owners cannot buy cars because it's really expensive. And and I heard from many people on TikTok and YouTube who works at you know a dealership like Chevy dealership and Lexus dealership, and they're sharing their experience with the pricing. A guy was talking. I think it's called the Chevy guy. That's the name of the TikTok account. He was saying that the Chevy Silverado 1500 2021. You know, the cost was 62,000, I guess, at the recent purchase by the dealership. But about 8 9 months ago, same Chevy, same style, basic one was at 53,000, $54,000. So huge, you know, increase in the pricing. And let me tell you one more thing. This will blow your mind. Enterprise, the car rental company, I used to rent a van from this company every single year, and I was renting it for 1 week at the same period of time, at the same time of the year. I was going to different estates with the van with my family to travel, to take some vacation, and I was paying $378, $380 in the past 3 4 years, plus taxes and fee. It was somewhere close to, 400, $410, $20 range for a one week rental car. I mean van. And about 3 4 days ago, I went to their website and I tried to just rent the same vehicle, same time frame, 1 week, same time of the year, for June. Guess what? The price of the rental was $978. Plus tax and fee is going to go close to $1,100. About close to three times what I used to pay, although in 2020 we didn't go anywhere because of the COVID-19. But that's how much I used to pay. But I used to pay like $300, $400. I'm close to $410 in 2015, 16. Not a really big difference. Every single year maybe they increase the price by $2, $3, $4, but nothing like that I saw like 3 days ago. I never seen like 300% increase in the price. So it's everywhere. Everything is going up, and I believe it's out of control, and the government will do something about this thing. But I heard that Jerome Powell said, the Fed said they're not going to increase the interest rates until 2023. In my opinion, they will increase the interest rates soon. I'm not sure when. I'm not gonna say like at the next Fed meeting, and I think it's on July or August. But it's gonna happen. If not this year, next year gonna happen because everything is out of control in the United States, and things, the inflations, and the price of the goods and services are going to the roof. And listen, if you are a retail business owner, you will understand this. But if you are a guy in a service business, if you are a plumber, uh, you might, because your services is about the same you used to do last year. If you were charging $200 for a job, right now you don't charge $600. It's about the same. Maybe you increased a little bit, but the price of the material went up. The lumber went up. Just imagine, I used to go to Home Depot buy a 2x4 wood lumber for $2.78 last year, and this year is about $8 in Houston, Texas. So about three times more than what I used to pay 1 year ago. So everything is going up, and if the Fed comes and say the interest rate is going to go to I don't know, like 1% or 1.2% or 1.3%. That's the gravity between this interest rate and the stock market, the overall market. And if the interest rate goes up, the treasury bond yield will go up and it will have some effect on the stock market. In my opinion, is going to have at least 5 to 10% um, effect on the overall market. So we have to wait, see what will happen. But again, like Peter Lynch said and Jack Bogle said, many people lost money by waiting for that correction, market correction, or waiting for the recession, or making, some dumb decision. I'm not here to tell you what buy a stock or not to buy a stock. I'm just sharing some information I got recently from different platforms, website, and many other people. And I'm just opening that box and share it with you guys. Hopefully, this video helped you a little bit by understanding what is going on in the market. And if you like this video, go ahead and like this video because it will make me happy. And every single like I see in my video, it will bring a nice smile into my face. Thank you for watching this video.